Come Monday, 28th of September 2020, primary and secondary school teachers are expected to report to work in preparation for schools reopening. The call by the Teacher Service Commission has been seconded by Teachers Union NAT, with Secretary General Wilson Sossion encouraging teachers to heed to the call.
We are urging all teachers, report for duty. You have all the time. That one, there is no debate about it. And we are not negotiating. We have committed ourselves as your representatives, go back to school. There is a lot of work to do in terms of preparation. And one of the key preparation we are urging teachers to do is to begin developing a checklist of mapping out all the learners and identifying some of the challenges they might have gone at home.
According to the nominated legislature, teachers are prepared to recover the time lost following the coronavirus pandemic that led to school closure in mid-March.
Many of us in the society are molesting our children. We have seen chiefs. We have seen in the media chiefs who are sexually molesting learners. And the chief is a government officer who is supposed to provide security. We have seen members of county assembly. We've even seen our own members, teachers. And we are telling you, teachers, touch a child, you are not part of us. You are not part of us. And so we are urging teachers to be more committed and to be at the forefront in protecting
teachers who are above the age of 58 years, those with underlying conditions, are equally expected to report to work. Previously, TSC had suggested that these teachers should remain at home upon reopening. Sossion has further called on schools to accept all pupils back, including teenage girls who got pregnant during the school's closure period occasioned by the coronavirus pandemic.
We shall support them until they deliver, even if it means giving them nutritional support. We will do it, even if it means giving them medical care. Those are some of the girls that must be given medical care and linked to the medical facilities together with COVID.
The NAT boss further noted that teachers are prepared to offer psychosocial support to all children.
Some are pregnant, some have contracted diseases, others are sodomized, some are witnessing parents fighting, and our parents in Kenya, their skills of raising children is very low. They can't even keep their children because of the type of society that we've created, that they are dumping even children in boarding as early as class 4. So you raise a child that you are not connected with.
In the meantime, the county governments have been directed to ensure that all learning institutions are vacated ahead of eventual reopening.
It is not yet time. We don't have security measures to promote online without securing our learners. And therefore, some of these fellows who might be hastily promoting a system that indeed is dangerous need to be cautioned. And that is why reopening of schools at the moment is very, very important. The children are safer at school than at home.
In a notice sent by the Ministry of Education through a health docket, all the institutions that have been serving as quarantine and isolation facilities to contain COVID-19 patients should be vacated by September 28th. The notice by Education PS Belio Kipsang indicated that COVID-19 curve has been flattening, and as a result, there is consensus among education stakeholders that schools will reopen earlier than anticipated.
We call on every citizen of this country to help us ensure that all the boys and girls report to our schools on the date that the government will announce. And once we have all of them, we shall be happy.
Dana Rose, K24 TV.